The search continues for the alleged killer in the fatal stabbing of CAL FIRE Captain Rebecca Marodi. Police are looking for her wife, Yolanda Marodi, who is believed to have crossed into Mexico. Last week, Captain Marodi was found stabbed to death in her Ramona home. Homeland Security records show Yolanda entered Mexico about an hour after the alleged fatal stabbing. So what exactly is the process to track someone down who might be running from the law in another country? ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo breaks down the tactics officials might be using in their search and the process to get her back to the States if found.
It's now been a week and 2 days since Yolanda Marodi was last seen or heard from. Authorities think she's in Mexico. And tonight, an FBI profiler tells me he thinks it's only a matter of time before she's caught. As the search continues for Yolanda Marodi, experts unrelated to the case say although the investigation is tight-lipped, there's a lot going on behind the scenes to find her. Marodi, who also goes by the last name Olenichek, is accused of murdering her wife, CAL FIRE Captain Rebecca Marodi. Greg McCrary is a retired FBI profiler.
He's considered the possibility they've altered their appearance in some way, cut their hair, they're wearing a wig.
He says it's likely investigators are looking into every part of Yolanda Marodi's life, including her social media activity, if any, and looking into everyone associated with her, specifically those who might be in Mexico. According to her arrest warrant, her car crossed south of the border the night of Captain Marodi's death.
If she's run to Mexico, chances are good she feels safe there. There's going to be family or friends or some environment in which she is running to.
McCrary says in these types of cases, the U.S. handles the intel work and works closely with Mexican authorities to physically look into those leads. He says if Yolanda is on her own, things could end quickly. But if she has help, it could take longer. And what if she's caught in Mexico? Well, criminal defense attorney Gretchen von Helms says a treaty between the two countries guarantees she'll be brought back. If she's a U.S. citizen, it can happen as quickly as a day.
So if they get her, the Mexican authorities can just call the U.S. authorities and just take her to the border and deport her.
If she's not, she'll still get brought back. It just might take a little longer.
There's this whole extradition process where she can file documents that says she's a Mexican citizen. They'll still honor the extradition treaty, but it's a longer process.
Anyone with information about Yolanda Marodi's whereabouts is asked to call the sheriff's office or Crime Stoppers. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.